Alright, so welcome back to White House Farm. Off the farm today. I got my beautiful wife with me. We're actually going to be closing a pool, and we're going to go through the steps and show you how. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is make sure that your pool, your water is lowered down below your skimmer. So pool is down, so the pool water is down below the skimmer, and now we're going to go ahead and remove any fountains or anything like that, because we are going to be putting the cover on. Any lights that may be inside, you go ahead and remove those too, or get them up out of the way. All right, so next we're going to go ahead and put our drain plugs in, and also skimmer covers if you have them. Not necessary, but if you have them, you can put them in. And you can go ahead and remove your skimmer basket. Just don't want these falling in the pool. And we are going to put this on Winterize. There we go. So now it's on winter, so it'll stay open. But we need to take the bottom drain plug out of here. Anywhere that there's plugs, make sure that they are removed. And we have another plug up here on the pump. Some pumps may have one here and one in the back. Just check and make sure that you pull all the plugs. Empty the basket out. And we'll keep our plugs in there so we know where they're at and we don't lose them. And put this back on. Alright, so we got our hoses disconnected and got our plugs out. Our plug there and our plug on our sand filter. Got it on Winterize. Unplugged from electrical. Should be all set here. Alright, so if your pool's clean and clear, which it should be, and you're just going to close it up, I recommend 2 shocks. You got one here, another pouch over there. They do come in liquid form. And then also your Algaecide. These are concentrates. And then they have just regular Algaecide where you can dump the whole gallon in. So just read the directions and find out how many ounces per gallons of water in your pool. So go ahead and add these in. So you want to go around the pool and do a little bit going all the way around. Alright, if you have a pool pillow, now's the time to go ahead and throw it on. And once again, with a pool pillow, you don't want to fill it up all the way. You want to be able to put your foot down and you should be able to touch the bottom. And that's how you know you got it at the correct specifications. Let's go ahead and throw this in. Alright, so you're going to take your rope and you're going to run it under your top rail. Alright, and we're going to make a little knot here. And that's so it doesn't pull out. See, stay right there. Now we'll run this to the other side. And do the same thing. And this will hold it in the center. So that's in there, and you want it to be able to have slack All right, so we're getting it laid out, and we're gonna go ahead and start running the cable all the way through here, all the way around. Down through, up, and then working your way all the way down through. And we're just gonna work all the way around. All right, so in order to do the ratchet here, your one side's gonna come in, and it's gonna go up underneath and come out. You're just gonna pull up all your slack. All right, and then the next one's gonna go in, and it's gonna go
the opposite direction.
The opposite direction. And once again, you're just gonna pull up your slack with it. Okay, and we're just gonna pull some of the slack out of it, so you pull that side. All right, and now we're gonna leave it just like this until we get the cover on the pool, and then we can go ahead and start tightening this. So just leave it loose for now so your cover fits good. And what we'll do, we'll fold this in half, and then, because the black part's gonna be on the water. And if you have a deck or anything, you want to position your ratchet so that you can get to it easily. So we're going to make sure that the ratchet is on the outside here somewhere. All right, so we're going to fold the liner in half and get it right up next to the pool and get ready to pull it in. All right, so now you can pull out all the slack. Come closer here and just pull. Good?
Yeah, I couldn't pull mine at all.
Okay. Now we can start twisting this, then tighten it up.
That's it?
Here, go around the pool and just work this up. Yep. And just get it tight like a guitar string. And then you may have to check it periodically throughout the winter with different rainstorms, once it gets the first load on here, snow, all that stuff, and just give it a little crank and tighten it up. All right, so we're all set here, so make sure to check out our videos and all of our pool stuff and everything else. And once again, we hope you like, enjoy, subscribe, and as usual, we'll see you on the next one. All right, bye guys.
You can't say goodbye without saying goodbye to me.
All right, Olaf, we'll see you on the next one. All right, bye, Obo.
Bye, guys.